Was your Luxembourg visa refused and now you're wondering how to appeal it from Nigeria? You're not the only one. Many Nigerians receive visa refusals and don't know the proper way to challenge the decision. Hi, I'm Betty from Law and Visas, and in this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to appeal a Luxembourg visa refusal legally and effectively from Nigeria. Let's get into what you need to know. First of all, understand that you have the right to appeal a refused visa decision. Luxembourg provides this option, but the process is very specific and must follow the rules closely. You have 1 month from the date of refusal to file your appeal. That's 30 days and every day counts. Now here's how the appeal works. Start by reading your refusal letter carefully. The reason for denial will guide the entire appeal. Whether it's doubts about your purpose of visit, financial insufficiency, or missing documentation, your appeal must directly address those concerns. The appeal must be submitted to the Administrative Tribunal of Luxembourg. You cannot just send a letter to the embassy or VAC. It must go to the court in Luxembourg. Here's what your appeal must include: a formal appeal letter in French, German, or Luxembourgish. Your full contact details. A copy of the visa refusal letter. Supporting evidence to correct or explain the issues raised in your refusal. A legal argument showing why the refusal was unjust or should be reconsidered. It is strongly advised to work with a lawyer familiar with Luxembourg immigration law because appealing through the courts involves formal legal procedures. At Law and Visas, we've helped Nigerians file strong appeals with translated documents, solid supporting evidence, and legal submissions that speak the language of the Luxembourg court. Once submitted, the court reviews your case, and the decision can take a few months. During this period, you cannot travel until a decision is made. If the court rules in your favor, your visa will be reprocessed or approved. If denied again, you can consider reapplying, but only after strengthening your case. Always remember, the appeal must be submitted within 1 month. You need to appeal in the official languages of Luxembourg. There's no guarantee of success, but a well-prepared appeal significantly improves your chances. And no, the embassy in Nigeria cannot override the tribunal's decision. If your Luxembourg visa was refused and you want to take the right steps from day one, contact us at Law and Visas. We'll review your case, explain your chances, and prepare your appeal professionally. Follow us on social media at Law and Visas for more expert tips, updates, and visa support. Don't give up because of one refusal with a proper appeal. Your Luxembourg visa is still possible.